We are so sorry for the interruption, but we need to tell you this important emergency message. Please wait. Recently it has discovered that a cartoon-like cat is in our city, probably 30 meters tall. His name is Secret Agent and comes from a game called Animal Hospital. Scientists have discovered new ways to make the cat go away, but none of them work. Please do the following: take some food and water and a med kit. Go in a bunker until emergency notifications tell on your phone that it's safe to go outside. In the meantime, please stay in your bunker. Close all windows. Hide now. No matter what, hide and stay quiet. In our city lies in turn, also from that game. 30 meters tall. May God protect us at all times. Normal programming shall now resume, but if there is another information we need to tell you, we can without interrupting, probably. This might be the last emergency message. You know why.